Hi, I'm Wade from Z-Bound Vapor, and today we're going to be covering the round wire coil. There's only a few things you're going to need for this. You're going to want a round gauge, I'm using 28, and you're going to want a coiling tool. If you have them, flush cuts are nice, and we're going to be using angled tweezers for our cotton. For now, pretty much all you need to know is that when you're wrapping for mouth-to-lung devices, like I'm doing today, it's a good idea to wrap wide and then press them together. That allows even spacing, and you don't really have to fiddle with it once it's installed. It'll glow from the inside out almost every time. Some quick pro-cons of the round wire coil. A few of the pros are they're very quick to make, there's not much effort to them. They aren't very girthy, there's not a whole lot of mass to them. So you can get pretty low ohms without getting a super hot vape. They're reliable vape, you will get pretty much the same vape every time. They're easy to ohm out, so if you want a particular high ohm or low ohm you're aiming for, it's very easy to do that with only a single strand of round wire. And they're fantastic for mouth to lung, which is why I did what I did today. A few cons is that they're not really that special. They have mediocre performance, their flavor isn't that great, but they are great in a pinch, so. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I want to thank Mr. Pebbles, who is providing the shots that you see on screen. He has been helping me in the background and giving me a lot of advice on what to do and what he thinks of everything. Thank you everyone from the build team for looking at this and giving me your opinions. And I plan on making more of these and kind of going up in difficulty as I go. So hopefully we can bring most people who don't know how to build to at least building some of the common coils, and hopefully they can get on their own way. If you guys haven't already, please go check out my Instagram at Z-Bound Vapor, check out Mr. Pebbles at Mr__Pebble, and make sure to stay tuned in the following weeks, hopefully, where I'll try to get out the next one up, which should be the Twisted Coil. If you guys want to see your pictures featured at the end of the video, then you can do that by sending it to thats.a.rap.vape@gmail.com, and I'll be checking my email periodically. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, that's a wrap.